Alright everyone, welcome back to another episode of Louis' Garage. Today's going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be doing a product review. So I've always had some issues with my mag wheels and the amount of brake dust that I get from my wheels and my brakes. So I've been looking for a really good product to help deal with this without me having to actually get in there and scrub the wheel or use like a cloth or a paper towel or whatever it is. So recently I've come across this product called Mag Monster from CRC. So you can see it here. And I just got this from my Repco store, my local Repco store, and I've been getting some pretty good results for this recently. So I just want to do a quick product review. Hopefully this is going to be something that I'm starting and I'll continue to do to bring you some new products and to show you how they work. So as you can see, my mag wheel is pretty bad at the moment. So I'll just show you how this works. So as you can see, there's a decent amount of brake dust on my C200 compressor wagon front wheels, and it's about time to clean it. So I'm going to show you how this all works. These are the OEM Mercedes brake pads as far as I can tell at the front, so that's why you can see quite a lot of brake dust, even just in a month or so of driving. At the rear we've also got the rear mag wheels. These are a lot better because I have actually replaced these with aftermarket brake pads, which are meant to be low brake dust, and as you can see it is quite a bit better than the front wheels, so that's good. We'll see how this works on the back wheels as well. So here are the instructions. It says spray a generous amount on cool dry wheels, let the Monster eat the brake dust for 3 to 5 minutes, don't let the product dry, if it does reapply before washing off, and wash off with a high pressure jet of water. Heavily soiled wheels may require agitation. Use regularly for best results. Now we're going to try this without using any agitation to see how well it works without actually having to touch the wheel. Alright, so we're just going to start applying to the wheel, and you'll see it start working pretty much instantaneously. Just try and make sure that you get all the different parts of the wheel. Try and get from underneath as well, and I tend to go from top to bottom just so that the product can drip down. You do have to spray quite a lot of product. Awesome, so that's the front wheel done, and we'll just leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes like it says, and then we'll do the rear wheels as well. As you can see, most of the brake dust is now gone, which is great. If you wanted something that's perfect, then you would probably still have to go back and wipe it down, or reapply the product. But as you can see, it's pretty good already. It actually looks pretty good, pretty fresh. So we're just going to try it on the rear wheels soon as well, and then I'll just show you guys the final result. Alright, so we've got the same setup for the back wheels, and we're just going to do exactly the same thing and see how well it comes out with the slightly less sturdy back wheel. Alright guys, and this is the final result. As you can see, the wheel looks pretty much as good as new, so that's pretty awesome. There's a few little marks on the inside of the wheel where it didn't quite penetrate completely into the brake dust. That's where the brake dust is probably the thickest. But overall, I think that's pretty good for a product that you can basically just spray on and rinse off. Let's have a look at the front wheel as well. So there's the front wheel. So yeah, once again, it's looking pretty good. So there is definitely a bit of a downside to this product as well, and it's the same with all wheel cleaner products, is that you are going to use up the product. So I've done 2 applications, so 8 wheels on this one bottle, this one here, and it's almost empty. I think I can probably do another 2 wheels using this product. So you're not actually going to get a lot of use out of this, because you need a lot of product to cover the wheels. And when you work it out, it's about $20 a bottle at full price. So you're paying, what is that, roughly $2 per wheel just for this product. So that's quite a lot of money when you think about it. So is it really worth it? I guess if you're in a hurry, if you don't really want to get yourself dirty by wiping it, or you're getting a cloth, then yeah, it's probably a good option. Otherwise, I think I might just stick to using a microfiber towel and wipe it down properly, and that way I don't have to use as much water as well. So up to you guys. For me, it's definitely a buy if you're looking for this sort of product. But yeah, definitely expect to pay a little bit more for a really good wheel cleaner. And if you want to do it manually, then definitely getting a microfiber cloth is a lot cheaper. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that product review. Hopefully this is going to be one of many. See you next time on Louis' Garage.